Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today we're going to be working on my 2011 Ninja, the hooligan flat track build, and that is because the throttle grip, which was sticking, I gotta figure out what's wrong with it, but I also have to replace the grip, and that is going to be the easiest thing, so I want to get that done and out of the way, so let's get into it. So first things first, you guys want to make sure that you have the appropriate grips for your bike. So what I mean by that is diameter. So these are going to be a 7/8 diameter. And of course, I want these to be closed-ended. You don't want to have a hole in the end of your bar unless, of course, you have bar ends to go in there. Those are the ones that basically just cover the hole on the end. And then when you screw them in, they expand and hold themselves in. Now, obviously, if that is the setup on your bike, you can go and buy those as well. But for this application, I have close-ended ones and not like this. This is the damaged one that has already been taken off. So once you have the grips and you know that they're going to be going on, you want to make sure that you have your grip glue as well. Pretty much any brand should do the trick. And then, of course, you want to start removing the old one, and depending on how well chewed up it is, much like this one comes off pretty easily. There's not really a whole lot holding it on anymore. I don't even think there's any glue on it. And so once that one comes off, obviously you inspect the tube. So you guys want to sand off any of the stubborn glue, which is what I ended up doing, and use some sort of cleaning solution on it. You can use soap and water if you really want to, or just a damp paper towel just to clean off any of that remaining dust from when you're actually, sanding it down, any of that material. You want to clean it up a little bit in preparation for when you're putting the glue on with the grip. And of course, scuffing it up a little bit is going to help it kind of stick on. So you guys want to just some fine sandpaper, nothing coarse. So you want to do that, basically get the surface of the throttle tube completely all ready to go. And provided you don't actually have any issues with the throttle opening and closing all the way, then you know that you can continue doing this without, doing extra work and having to disassemble it all over again. However, for this setup, I don't have to disassemble anything. It's literally just pulling off the grip, cleaning the throttle tube all up, ready to go, putting the glue on the inside of the new grip. Now, it does say to be liberal with it, so I don't know how liberal you want to be, but that's going to be completely up to you guys. I obviously just basically put enough on the inside that it looked like there was a decent amount there. Some people will also say to put it on the tube itself. However, you want to put it more towards the end, because when you push it on, it's just going to squeeze it all out. And, well, too much glue could potentially be a bad thing if it gets onto the end of your throttle tube, because then it might actually make things stick together, which obviously you don't want that to happen. So use a decent amount of it, and just keep in mind that you want to put it near the end, because it's going to end up getting pushed forward anyway to the inside. And then you're just going to end up with a huge mess, and you don't want that either. So hopefully you guys found that that's a pretty straight installation there. Obviously, this is my first time doing it, so I lined everything up. I put the grip glue on, and keep in mind, you want to be doing this as soon as possible. You don't want to be putting the glue on and then dicking around for 5 minutes because you forgot to do something else. You want to be putting this on immediately before it sets, because as soon as it starts to set, you're going to have a heck of a time trying to actually get the grip on. And once the grip is on and it's in the position that you want, you're happy with it, it's pushed all the way onto the throttle tube, and the end of it as well is flush. Nothing looks weird on it. You're going to end up having to let this sit for, I believe it's 6 to 8 hours, so basically overnight. So you can do this installation, and then Once it is completely done, come out the next day, obviously check the throttle, make sure it still functions, snaps open, you're good to go. And as long as it's functioning and it's not sticking because you use too much glue, you are ready to go. Well guys, what did you think of that installation for the new grip on the throttle tube? Obviously this was my first time doing this all on my own. I did ask a few people ahead of time on how to do it, and to be completely honest, it's pretty straightforward as long as you don't take too much time to actually put the grip on, because the glue, it is time sensitive, it does start to harden pretty quickly from what I've been told, so you want to make sure that you are quick with this installation and make sure that it goes on exactly the way you want it to the first time, or you may end up having to buy new grips and do it all over again. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any comments or questions, maybe something that I left out or didn't explain very well, leave a comment down below so that I can clarify things or maybe even make another video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. If you have any comments or questions, again, leave them down below. I'm always reading the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future content on the channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.